Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about two-way and three-way control of lamps. First one, two-way control of lamp. So this lamping system we can also call as a staircase lamping system, staircase lamp. Suppose in examination if they ask explain staircase lamp, means we have to explain about two-way control of lamp. So two-way control of lamp, why especially we are using at staircases is, so which consisting of two switches. One switch we can install at bottom of the staircase, and one more switch we can install top of the staircase. In between we can install the lamp. That's what we can. That's what. So this lamping system can also call as a two-way control of system, two-way control of lamp. And moreover, this lamping system used for staircase. So many people are using for staircase. That's what this two-way control lamp system you can also call staircase lamp system. So now we have a two positions. Position 1 for two positions. Each switch will have 1 and 2. So switch 1 is having 2 positions and switch 2 is having 2 positions. So switch 2 is 3 and 4. Now the switch 1 is connected in first position, switch 2 is connected third position, position 3. So now circuit will be closed, supply will be continue, then lamp will be on. So we can observe in this truth table. So this is called truth table. So in this table you can observe when switch 1 is one position, switch 1 is connected to position 1 and switch 2 is connected to position 3, the supply will be continue, then lamp will be on. So once if you want to lamp on, so supply should be continue. So this is about position 1, first case in two-way control lamp. And coming to second case, switch 1 is connected to position 1, switch 2 is connected to position 4, lamp will be off. Okay, and switch 2 is connected to position 2, switch 2 is position 3, lamp is off, since it will be off, since it will be in open circuit. And switch 1 is connected to position 2, switch 2 is 4 and lamp will be on. So here the case study is, so the person is entered into the bottom of the staircase. So now first person is entered into the bottom of the staircase, there switch 1 is there, and top of the staircase switch 2 is there, assume it. So person is changed switch 1 position 2 to position 1, lamp will be on, then you will reach to the top of the staircase, then you will change the switch 2 position 3 to position 4, lamp will be up. That is the second case. And one more and one more person is entering from downstairs. Now he changed position 1 to position 2, the lamp will be on, then he reach to the top of the staircase, lamp switch 2 is changed from position 4 to position 3, lamp will be off. So these are the different case studies. So this is one of important question. So you have to learn, you have to practice this question well. Next we'll move to the another type of control lamp. So three-way control of lamp. So three-way control of lamp is position of here in this lamping system. So we have three switches. So you can observe 3 switches here. Switch 1, that is called S1, S1, S2, S3, S1, S2, S3, right? Now switch 1 having 2 position 1 and 2, similarly 2 is having 3 and 4, and but in between switch 1 and switch 2 we have one more switch, that is called intermediate switch, that is S3. So which is having 2 types of connections, one is straight connection, other one is cross connection. So switch 3 is connected A, B, C, D, A, B and C, D, that is called straight connection, and switch 3 is connected like C, B, B, C and A, D, that is called cross connection, right. So this is about switches. Now coming to the truth table. So when switch 3 is connected straight connection and switch 1 is position 1 and switch 2 is position 3, lamp will be on, and switch 2 position move to the 3 to 4, lamp will be off, and 2 and 3, so switch 1 is position 2, switch 2 is position 3, lamp will be off, and 2 and 4, switch 1 is 2, switch 2 is 4, lamp will be on. So this is about straight connection. So when intermediate switch is straight connection, so this is the condition of the lamp. Now move to the cross connection. Cross connection means, so AD and BC are joined, AD join, BC are joined, then the switch will be in cross connection position. Now switch 1 is position 1, switch 2 is position 3, lamp will be off. Switch 1 is position 1, switch 2 is position 4, lamp will be on. 2 and 3, switch 1 is 2, switch 2 is 3, lamp will be on, and switch 1 is 2, switch 2 is 4, lamp will be off. So this is the three-way control of lamp, three-way control of lamp, okay. So this is this type of lamping system, so we can use for large cinema, large rooms, and especially assembly halls and porticos and cinema theaters. So position of the lamp will be somewhere, and in assembly halls, so it will be very big halls. So every time person cannot go there, one position cannot operate the lamp, so that, so this type of lamping systems are useful for to use in seminar halls, assembly halls and corridors and big halls, okay. So this is the applications of three-way control of lamp. So two-way control of lamp, two-way control of lamp will have 4 switching sequence, switching sequences, but three-way control lamp will have 8 switching sequences. You have to remember, don't confuse. So students, they may do mistakes. Instead of writing two-way control lamp, they will write three-way control lamp, they will write two-way. Don't confuse, practice diagram well. And here we have to mention line and neutral. Here students, you have to mention here line and neutral. So this supply should be given, otherwise so lamp will not be on, okay. You have to mention properly here, then only you will get marks, okay, right. And next video we will discuss about protective devices, fuse and MCB, okay. Thank you everyone.